Do you want to be able to fix audio out of sync on Instagram Reels? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this video until the end, and of course also apply all of this like step by step that I'm going to show you for it to work basically. So the first step is quite simple. Come to your Instagram profile right here. Then you need to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, because then you should be taken here. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, like a lot of options, but you need to click on the first option in here where it says settings. So click on that. Now we're going to scroll down in here until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on report a problem. And then once again, click on report a problem. Click on include and continue. The reason why you need to come to this page right here, because now you might wonder why I'm well, like what am I doing on this page, and that is a great question. Basically, in here we're able to contact the Instagram customer support team, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue for our account, because there's basically like a bug on our account, and they are the ones that can actually help us to solve this very quickly. So now I'm going to write like this to them. Basically, I want to fix the issue with audio being delayed on Instagram Reels on my account. You can also, by the way, just to clarify to them, write your username for your Instagram account here as well, just to clarify that this is the exact account that you're actually talking about. And basically, right now, like write like this to them: I want to fix the issue with the audio being delayed on Instagram Reels on my account. Then also write the username of your account, then click on send in the top right corner. I'm not going to click on send because I've already done this and it's fixed for my account, and I don't really want to take any like time away from them basically. And yeah, like you need to write exactly like this. Now click on send in the top right corner. Wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram team, like support team, to be able to see this, and hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if you maybe have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can, and I wish you the best day.